The last thing I wanted was to end up in court. But it was my money, and my friend promised that he'd pay it back by the end of the month. But it's been over a year now, and I really need the money. So I filed a statement of claim at the local court and they sent it to him. Anyway, he seems to think he doesn't owe me the money after all, so he filed a defence saying it was a gift. $2,000? A gift? So I had no choice. I had to go to court. Before the court schedules a hearing, they have a pre-trial review. That's when a registrar will go through the details with you and the person that owes you money. That's Clark, my best ex-friend.
Hello, Rashada. What a surprise.
So, Clark, are you ready to give me my money? I wasn't sure what to expect at court, and I couldn't afford a lawyer, so I phoned Law Access. It's a free service.
Welcome to Law Access New South Wales. My name's Matt. How can I help you?
Hi, my name's Rashada. I've lodged a small claim against someone and we have to go to court. Law Access explained about the pre-trial review and about the hearing itself. And they suggested I talk to the staff at the local court to find out how things were run there and to make sure I had my documents prepared. They also told me how to arrange mediation with Clark at a community justice centre, but we couldn't come to an agreement.
Mr. Carlin, I'm beginning to lose patience in this matter. While I will grant you a further adjournment on this occasion, as the delays are down to your client, I order costs of attending today's pre-trial review be payable by your client to Mrs. Hasim's client within 28 days at the amount fixed by the legislation. You are both excused. Next case.
The purpose of the pre-trial review is to first see if your case can be settled, and if it can't, to set a hearing date when a magistrate, or someone like that, will hear your case. The registrar might ask questions like, have you tried to settle this through mediation?
Okay, and you have tried to settle this in mediation?
Yes, Registrar, but we couldn't reach any agreement.
Have you both filled out a pre-trial review form? One like this?
Yes, I have, Registrar.
Me too, on my side of things.
The pre-trial review sheet is a form that each party fills in, telling the court details about their case, such as a brief description of the dispute and the names of witnesses who will write statements.
Well, this is excellent. It's good to see you're both prepared. I will list this matter for hearing 10 weeks from today. So that will be the 12th of August. Are you both available on that date?
Yes, I am, Registrar.
So am I.
I had my diary with me to check that the date was okay for me.
So 2 weeks prior to the hearing date, you will each have to file witness statements and other evidence. You must exchange statements and evidence you intend to rely upon with each other 2 weeks prior to the hearing. If you do not, you may not be able to rely on the evidence at the hearing. Do you understand?
Everything is disclosed before the hearing, so there can be no surprises and no last-minute delays. You have to be prepared to give the other party copies of all of your written evidence. That includes statements from your witnesses too. Like I said before, it can be stressful, but if you believe that what you're doing is right, then you just do what you have to.